But I'm here at the rainforest inside. If you ask what they're saying, volcano, because it's like a type of sundae with chocolate on top of it. See, that's beautiful. Look at that. Oh wow. You can see a jaguar over there. Alright, so. Oh wow, this is a dark fish. Wow, that's a zebra fish. Sure, they ain't think so. And I'm just passing through, don't worry about me. And that's our tailor right there. Beautiful. So beautiful. And there are the tigers. The jaguar. Oh, here's a parakeet. Can't see it. Here. There we go. And there's a monkey right here. And by our table, there's a monkey. Crazy, right? Let me go closer. Ooh, that's nice. Like lightning. We got lightning here. Awesome.
Este es el volcán. Se toma de catar, toma conejo. Ah, deja. Filmar, anda caminando por ahí. Apretar el botón, hija, para filmar la camarita.
This is amazing. You can see the elephants barely. Right there. And there's like a rainbow. You can't see it. There's another monkey right there. They're moving the tree back. And there's some more monkeys that way. You can't see them well, so pretty much. And there's another fish tank. So, pretty much that's all for today's video. It's an easy, quick video. You know me. Sketch, man. So pretty much that's all. That's the amazing game in the forest. Know that.